Hello everyone, this is Ray from Hebei Dapu Machinery Company Limited. Today I want to reintroduce the straight line wire drawing machine to you. From the first part, this is the wire payoff system. We have this type, Canon type. Also we have a pneumatic upload type wire payoff. Also we have hydraulic double station wire payoff. Here is a mechanical sheller. It can remove the oxide skin of the raw material, you see. This device can stir the drawing powder to make the raw material lubrication well. And here, this motor is for driving this mold to make this drawing mold rotate. So the output wire can be more round and can enlarge the service life of the drawing mold. This wire drawing drum, the diameter is 560 millimeter. Here is tungsten carbide. The lifespan of this drawing drum is more than 22,000 hours. And inside this drum, it has water cooling system to make the temperature lower when this machine is working. This wire drawing line has 11 drums. This machine can input 6.5 millimeter steel wire and output 1.7 millimeter steel wire. This is trunk type wire collecting system. This system is very easy to use and it is suitable for maximum 4 millimeter finished wire and minimum like 1.6 millimeter or 1.5 millimeter. As for the electric components of this straight line wire drawing machine, we use world famous brand ABB breaker. Here, ABB air switch. And here, Siemens PLC. And for inverter, you see, we all use ABB brand. It's high quality. For the drawing motor of every block, we use Siemens brand motor. And for the first block and the second block, we use reducer to control the machine working. For other drums, we use motor with transmission belt. We use belt to control the machine working. And every drum we equipped with the steel shelf for safety.